Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your LCD monitor. First thing you're going to need is distilled water. Second thing you're going to need is a spray bottle. You're also going to need microfiber cloth or 100% cotton cloth. Okay, so you want to avoid ethanol, alcohol, ammonia, and ethanol acid. Anything like Windex or glass and surface cleaners. Before you clean your monitor, you want to get an aerosol can and you want to spray off the dust, because it can scratch your monitor permanently. To demonstrate this tutorial, I'm going to be using the ViewSonic VX2739WM Full HD 27-inch 1080p monitor. Let's get started. Get my 100% cloth. Get my spray bottle. I've already pre-dedusted my screen. Turn off your monitor. Always turn your monitor off. Take your cloth. Never spray directly on the monitor. Spray right on the cloth. Get it nice and damp. Very gently press. Do not scrub. Do not press hard. It can damage your monitor. I like to go back and forth. And you've just cleaned your monitor. Check out our other videos. Peace.